Hello, I'm Roger Bisbee from the Skill Builder channel. I just want to show you how to adjust some cabinet or kitchen cupboard doors, and it's a very simple job to adjust them to get them back looking right. So as you can see from the top here, we've got a big gap, and then as we follow it down, that's about the middle there where it's even, and then the door starts to oversell the cabinet slightly on that bottom. So what that means is that the whole door has kind of gone like that a bit. That screw on the inside, if you loosen it, you can move the door in or out. So we want to get the door fairly flat against the cabinet. So that's one, and then down at the bottom here, we've got another identical hinge. Now on a very tall door, you could even have 3 hinges. We've got some movement there. We can move that hinge in and out there. We're going to set that back so that it's against the cabinet. So if we turn that one, that's going to move that bottom part of the door outwards. Pretty good down that side. We're happy with that. You can see it's still misaligned on this one. I can see just by running my finger down the side of the door that we've got too much over there. So we need to move that one over. And now the gap that I'm concerned about is actually that in and out gap slightly there. And there is a bit of up and down adjustment in there. So what you need to do is just loosen the screws top and bottom there and lift the door up. If I just use my finger as the guide at the bottom there, just to get it flush, tighten the bottom one. Don't go mad on these because you will strip out the thread on the cabinet itself, on the chipboard. You should never have to undo this side of the hinge, by the way. That's the bit that goes into the door. It's pretty good there. As we go to the top, we see that the gap is too big there. So that means we've got to bring that one over to meet that one. Now as we do it that way, anti-clockwise, it's moving the door this way. So we want to bring that one over as well. Pull that one out that way slightly. Now these are actually 2 cabinets stuck together, so they're slightly different. If you have a single cabinet and you've got 2 doors going onto a mid-rail, you'll probably get a closer fit. But I kind of like them having a bit of a gap because it means they don't knock together quite so much. I hope you found that useful and interesting, and come back to see us soon on Skill Builder. We've got more tips coming up for you.